Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 16, 2025, Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 16, 2025, Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, March 16, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 16, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, March 16, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 16, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.